In this video, we'll go through the steps of how to create an Echo360 course section for your Canvas course. First, from within your Canvas course, locate the module that you would like to add your Echo360 course section link to. Click the plus icon in the top right corner of the module. In the Add Item menu that appears, click on the Add drop-down menu, then select the External Tool option. Scroll down the list until you see the option titled Echo360 Course Sections, then click on it to select it. Next, you can enter in a name for the link within the Page Name box. You can also check or uncheck the box titled Load in a New tab, depending on whether you want the Echo360 section to open up within Canvas or to prompt users to open it up in a separate browser tab. Next, click the Add Item option in the bottom right corner of the dialog box. Once the Echo360 section link is added to your course, click on it. You will be brought to a screen prompting you to choose a term for the section. Select a term from the drop-down menu. Then click the Create Echo360 section button. If this is your first time creating an Echo360 section for this specific Canvas course section, then you will be taken straight into a newly created Echo360 section. If not, then after clicking the Create Echo360 section button, you will be brought to the following screen. From this screen, you can choose to either link to specific existing Echo360 section content, link to the home page of an existing Echo360 section, or create a new Echo360 section for the course. Choose an option from one of the drop-down menus, then click the Continue button. From here, you can begin sharing content from your Echo360 library to the section, or set up automatic Zoom recording mapping to the section once you have scheduled Zoom meetings for your Canvas course. Lastly, when you have finished setting up your Echo360 course section, make sure that your Echo360 link is set to published so that it will be visible to your students.